Hey, John Durham with the Durham Executive Group and RE/MAX Results. I'm a licensed realtor, but I've also received additional training. I'm a licensed real estate broker in both the states of Wisconsin and Minnesota. And I work with my wife, Becky, who's also a licensed realtor. And together we have about 40 years of successful real estate experience. Becky is also the corporate training manager for the world's largest RE/MAX franchise in the world with over 1,400 realtors. I want to talk to you about the Somerset, Wisconsin housing market as of October of 2022, which is the most current information available. My research shows that there's definitely some changes that are starting to take place in the Somerset housing market. But first, just want to talk a little bit about the housing market in general. In October, we saw some volatility, and that's because the Consumer Price Index, the CPI, which is a measurement of inflation, dropped from September's high of 8.2% and then October down to 7.7%. So as a result, we temporarily for maybe a week saw mortgage interest rates drop last week, quite a bit actually. And we saw a lot of buyers filling out mortgage applications. Unfortunately, now this week we've seen 30-year conventional interest rates jump up over 7% again. And if you think about it, what a ride it's been for the last 12 months since October of 2021 to now, when interest rates were slightly under 3% a year ago, they've jumped up over 4%, over 7% now in October of 2022. So a result, a lot of buyers are kind of backing off, can't afford to buy, or just kind of a little leery about purchasing. And so the demand is a little bit less than what we've seen the last couple of years. So in Somerset, we're seeing, we're basically seeing new listings and closed sales are down. But we're starting to see the inventory of homes increase as well as the days on market slightly increasing. Somerset's been amazing in terms of what's happened in the housing market there, and I think much of it over the last few years has had to do with new construction. We're going to talk about new construction in a second, but the median and average sale price over the last 12 months is still amazing, down from September, but still in that 21 to say 24% increase. So that's phenomenal for Somerset. But like I said, from September to October, we're seeing a little bit of a dip. You know, I just read just today that in new construction, buyers are canceling their purchase agreements at more than 3%, 3 times the normal rate. And that's due to interest rates, but also because of the escalation clauses in these new construction contracts with these builders where prices can increase based on building material supplies as well as a result of maybe the supply chain issues. And so buyers are backing off, but unfortunately what's happening is they're losing their down payment because these builders, most of them have built into their contracts where if you cancel, you lose your down payment. And so that can range anywhere from $10,000, say, to $50,000. That's a huge impact. So my recommendation to buyers is for right now, I wouldn't consider new construction. I would definitely do look at single family existing homes because you can lock in immediately with your interest rates. You can close within 48 weeks, which is a big issue because new construction could be over a year in some cases. And the price per finished square feet is significantly less than new construction. There's some really good values that are out there with existing family homes, and I think we're going to continue to see that for a bit. So let's talk a little bit about the Somerset housing market. If you're thinking of selling or buying, reach out to Becky and I, and let's talk about your goals, your timeframes. Now we can help you. We're experts in the Somerset, Wisconsin marketplace. You can contact us at 651-231-2191. Thanks for watching this video and making it a great day. Bye-bye.